Bow windows are a striking architectural feature that add elegance, natural light, and extra space to Dallas homes. With their gentle curve and expansive glass, they enhance curb appeal and create inviting interior areas. However, Dallas's climate, marked by intense heat, strong sun exposure, sudden storms, and seasonal temperature shifts, makes material choice especially important. Selecting the right bow window materials ensures long-term durability, energy efficiency, and lasting beauty. Here's a guide to the best materials for long-lasting bow windows in Dallas homes. Vinyl frames. Low-maintenance and heat-resistant vinyl is one of the most popular materials for bow windows in Dallas, and for good reason. High-quality vinyl frames are designed to withstand heat without warping or cracking, making them ideal for the region's hot summers. Benefits of vinyl bow windows include excellent insulation that helps reduce cooling costs, resistance to moisture, rot, and corrosion, minimal maintenance. No painting or sealing required. Modern vinyl formulations are UV resistant, helping frames retain their color and structure despite prolonged sun exposure. Fiberglass frames. Superior strength and stability. Fiberglass is one of the most durable materials available for bow windows and performs exceptionally well in Dallas's climate extremes. Why fiberglass stands out. Extremely strong and resistant to expansion and contraction. Excellent thermal performance. Long lifespan with minimal wear. Fiberglass frames maintain their shape during heat waves and cooler weather, ensuring bow windows stay properly sealed and operational for years. Composite materials. Engineered for performance, composite window frames combine materials such as wood fibers and polymers to deliver the best qualities of multiple materials. Advantages of composite bow windows. High resistance to heat, moisture, and warping. Strong insulation properties. Greater durability than traditional wood for Dallas homeowners seeking long-term performance without constant upkeep. Composite materials offer a reliable solution. Aluminum-clad frames. Modern strength with protection. Aluminum-clad bow windows feature a protective aluminum exterior paired with an insulating interior material. Benefits include excellent resistance to weather and sun exposure. Modern, sleek appearance. Added exterior durability. While aluminum alone can transfer heat, aluminum-clad designs incorporate thermal breaks to improve energy efficiency, making them a viable option when properly engineered. Energy-efficient glass is just as important as the frame. No matter the frame material, glass selection plays a critical role in long-term performance, especially in Dallas's sunny climate. The best bow windows include double or triple pane insulated glass, low-E coatings that reflect solar heat, argon gas fills to enhance insulation. These features reduce heat gain, protect interiors from UV damage, and maintain indoor comfort. Structural reinforcement supports longevity. Bow windows are larger and heavier than standard windows, making structural integrity essential. Quality bow window systems include reinforced frames, proper load-bearing support, durable hardware and connectors. These reinforcements prevent sagging and ensure long-term performance. Moisture resistance protects against storms. Dallas experiences sudden rainstorms that can test window durability. Materials that resist moisture help prevent leaks, rot, and long-term damage. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames excel in this area, making them well-suited for bow window installations. Professional installation maximizes material performance. Even the best materials won't last without proper installation. Professional installers ensure correct structural support, secure sealing against heat and moisture, proper alignment for long-term durability. Installation quality directly affects how well bow window materials perform over time. Choosing materials that last in Dallas. For Dallas homeowners, the best materials for long-lasting bow windows are those that can handle heat, sunlight, and seasonal changes without sacrificing efficiency or style. Vinyl offers affordability and low maintenance. Fiberglass delivers unmatched durability. Composite materials provide balanced performance, and aluminum-clad frames offer modern strength when properly insulated. By choosing high-quality materials and ensuring professional installation, homeowners can enjoy beautiful, durable bow windows that enhance comfort, curb appeal, and home value for many years to come.